What it do, you too? We're back. We back in the whip. And we might, you feel me? Let me calm down. The police been hot. I ain't gonna even lie to you. They was hot. Every be on my my P's and Q's. But I drove about 45 minutes ago. I seen like 6 people pulled over. And they're like, oh man, they trying to, hey, it's the beginning of the month. They trying to say, nope, we ain't missing a quarter this month. Oh, we out early. It's May 3rd. They say, yup, we outside tonight. They going, yeah. Like, look like we need to pull you over, sir. Okay, I'm about to say, they about to be the next one to get pulled over. Why they ain't got their lights on? Man, hey. I want to say thank y'all because, hey, it's been an amazing journey. Just growing with y'all. Y'all, especially the ones that been here since 2023. Hey, y'all been here since 2023. That's real love. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's when I really started taking YouTube serious, was 2023. So I appreciate y'all that been here on this journey with me. Seeing the ups and flows, me just trying stuff, seeing what works, and find out multiple things work. Just keep to it. It's funny how it's gonna be kind of like a motivational ride. You feel me? Hey, literally, I seen stuff that didn't work for me at first, and then I tried it last year. Last year was a wake up moment for me. I did stuff in the past, and it didn't work. I mean, barely interviews, woody woo woo. Like, we'll start off with, God, see, I told you, police hot. They are hot. Start off my 2K stuff. My 2K stuff wasn't really, you feel me, doing anything. Like my career stuff wasn't working. Next thing you know, 2K26, my career popped. Like a lot of views off my career content. I did NCAA. I didn't do Madden last year. I did Madden this year off the piggyback of NCAA because NCAA did so great for me this year. But last year, it didn't do much. I think probably, I don't know about now, but at the time, like my highest view NCAA video, I live stream and then cut up into videos. Probably got like 20 views. Now, fast forward to last year, it was getting hundreds of views. And it's like, wow. I see what people like, hey, don't worry about if you're not getting views and things. Just keep going because it's gonna come one day. So with that, I just piggyback off of Madden. Madden, I didn't do the career content. I did like games and like that got like 30 something views. But you feel me? I feel like it's a hit and miss when playing against people on games, especially randoms, because they don't want to talk. And in 2K, they don't want to talk unless they win. Like, start talking beginner game. Don't talk when you got 19. Like, that would get on my nerves. Y'all want to be in party chat. Hey man, cut, roll, do this, pick, hey. It's like real basketball is not like that. Real basketball, you don't get to just talk to your teammates peacefully. In real basketball, everybody on the court can talk. The defense is not quiet while the offense run plays, and vice versa. The offense is not quiet. Look at the carnival. You know what? I might do a carnival vlog. I just gotta find somebody to go with. I ain't gonna lie to you. But that carnival's small though. Definitely a fair video when they come back in the fall or late summer. Maybe both. But yeah, man. Just, hey, if you want to try this YouTube stuff, hey, do it. Be motivated. Don't. I was looking at a Mr. Beast. It was kind of like a document. It wasn't really a documentary, but like behind the scenes of the Beast game. But he was talking about his upbringing, like his friends and stuff. Like he hired 2 of his high school classmates who still work on him to this day. And he was paying them $8 an hour to be a janitor. So they were basically cleaning up his mess. And he was paying them $8. Now one of them is like a executive producer or something behind the scene. He was in a couple of the earlier Mr. Beast videos, but like now, like he's a producer or something high rank for his channel. And then you got the other one, Chandler, who is on camera. Like one is Tyler, the other one is Chandler. And Chandler's front facing on the channel and on the Beast Game TV show. And it's like they both start off as janitors. You have some people who start off as cameraman and they became vital pieces. So it's like, and they were saying like in high school he was an outcast. Like Mr. Beast, nobody wanted to be around him. They laughed at him. They're like, oh, that's the guy who do YouTube and things of that nature. And it's like, it's crazy how people are making fun of him. And now I probably bet a lot of them people wish they was cool with him so they can get some of that reward that he got based off his belief. And like, it's just so amazing just see what he does. Like, I don't get to see everything he does, but just seeing some of the stuff. And they was talking about like his business manual for his new hires, that he said most of his new hires don't even read no more. He was like, it was just for the first group. And he created that back in when he was 22. So if he's 27, 28, about 5 or 6 years ago. So that's about 21, 20. And he says billion dollar companies using his script or his manual as a business model. Like being an A player. C players are average. A players is their whole focus is to grow the business. And that's what you gotta be for your YouTube channel. You gotta be an A player. You gotta put your all into it. Not saying you gotta quit everything you're currently doing because you still gotta live. Like, I'm not saying go quit your job and just be a YouTuber. No. But if you're being an A player for your company where you're making them better, also do that for yourself in your downtime. Put it like this. The average person, if they work a full-time job, work 8 hours a day. What about for a year? For the 8 other hours you got, because you got 16 hours that is good for you. So you got 8 you're going to work. Let's just say, all right, 7. Or you might have to, you do the 8, but you're going to lose some sleep time. Because I understand breaks and drive time. 7 to 8 hours you put into YouTube a day. Same thing. But instead of you doing 5 days a week, you doing 7 days a week, you putting this time in. And look, on the weekends, you still got time for yourself. You're just doing an 8-hour day of YouTube. And guess what I do? I go out and do my YouTube stuff while I'm out. I vlog. If I go out, I'm vlogging. Even if that vlog don't come out, it was practice to me. It's practicing me being on camera, making sure I'm focused, see how the camera angles and all of them things of that nature. I still record myself at this moment. If the vlog come out of it, good. But I'm practicing. I go skating twice a week. Guess what I do before I go skating? I record a video. I do that on purpose because I feel like if I go skate, I used to didn't do this, but now I do. I edit the video while I skate. I edit at least one video every time I go skating. So now it's like I'm working even when I'm out. Even when I go out if I go to a club and I can sit down, well, I'm editing the video right there. I probably recorded a video before I left out. My whole mind is, how can I improve this YouTube? How can I be consistent with doing content? Even yesterday, I had to work in an event and basically just supervise the event, but I get to stay in a conference room while supervising. So I'm in the conference room by myself. I said, I know Mr. Beast is going to drop a video today. I know he is. Because like it's been 2 weeks since he dropped. So I know he's going to drop one today. But I didn't want to be behind with my reaction. I wanted the reaction to be out that same day that he dropped. So guess what I did? As soon as he dropped, it took a little while because I had to get my computer and stuff set up. That's not the normal computer I do reactions on. I did it on my MacBook this time. So I had to get my iPad, double screen. And you feel me? I had to do my 1-2. And let me order this real quick. What can I get for you? Yes, can I get a Snickers caramel pineapple milkshake? Snickers, caramel, and pineapple? Yep. All in one shake, right? Yes, sir. Anything else? That's all. $4.38. All right. Y'all don't steal my order, but I appreciate y'all joining me. I'm going to catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.